Bienvenue Bobcat families, this is Principal Kristen Tedford, sharing with you Bienvenue Elementary opening parent information presentation. Our theme this year is to be kind, be great, and be a Bobcat in 2021 when we're starting this most interesting and special way of starting school this year. Bienvenue opening events begin on August 10th. Homeroom teachers will be reaching out to all students using the numbers listed in PowerSchool. If you have not heard from a teacher by August 12th, please contact the school at 462-2835. Also, please complete the parent orientation survey listed on our website, Facebook, or Class Dojo, so we are aware of your technology and transportation needs for this year. If you need internet service and to receive a MiFi, please complete this link so we can register this device to you before device rollout. August 12th, grades 3 through 5 will have device and resource rollout in the car line from 12 to 2 and 4 to 6 p.m. August 13th, grade 2 will receive their devices and resource rollout for grades K through 2 in the car line from 12 to 2 p.m. and 4 to 6 p.m. August 14th, teacher orientation videos will be posted on our website, Facebook, and Class Dojo. A schedule will be implemented the first 20 days of school to allow for staff and students face-to-face orientations if comfortable in academic assessments. If you attend a face-to-face appointment with a teacher, you must enter through the main office entrance. No more than 2 people may attend these appointments. Anyone entering the building must have a temperature screening. Face coverings are required. All COVID-19 safety guidelines and procedures will be followed at all times. The instructional format this year. Plan C, all students are provided remote instruction digitally or by a packet. K1 and K grades, kindergarten through first grade, will receive devices in late September. When Plan B is implemented, students who signed up for Virtual Academy will remain remote off campus until December with a Bienvenue teacher if numbers allow. All other students will be on an A or B week schedule, attending school on campus every other week. It is important that you complete the parent orientation survey so we know who needs bus transportation during Plan B. Accountability will look a little different. Attendance will be taken in PowerSchool and two-way communication processes for teachers will be implemented. Assignments will be graded and ongoing feedback will be provided. Consistent in-person instruction per grade span will occur. The curriculum resources will be consistent learning management system. Grades 3 through 5 will use the Google Classroom, and kindergarten through 2nd grade will be using Seesaw. Professional development will be provided for staff. Training sessions for parents during orientations will occur, and social and emotional lessons for all students, K through 12, will be provided. Online versus the Nash County Public Schools Virtual Academy, online remote learning provides an opportunity to move back to in-person instruction when practical. Students participate in learning activities with a certified teacher. Students will have anytime access to these learning and graded work activities provided during the week. Virtual Academy, however, is consistent continuous online learning. Students will continue this model during the fall or fall and spring if families do not feel comfortable returning to school. This slide lists the differences between what occurred in March through May and the type of planning and explicit instruction that will occur in Plan C right now. There'll be up to 4 hours of live direct explicit instruction, depending if it's developmentally appropriate, teaching new content with ongoing review, streamlined digital tools, daily consistent school with teacher office hours to support small groups, graded assignments with feedback, attendance taken daily, and planned support with Wi-Fi access locations and hotspots. Our goal is to have 100% of our students using a digital tool through the school system this fall. Schedule for grades K through 2. You have two options. You could have your child attend the morning session from 8:30 to about 11 o'clock, or if it works better for you, your child can attend from 12 until about 3 o'clock. Also, recorded lessons will be provided if either of these options are not optimal for you. Scheduled grades for 3, 4, and 5 self-contained classes. These are classes that do not switch or block. Again, you can choose which session works for you. 8:30 to about 11:30 if you need to use the office hours in the morning, or you may choose 12 till about 3 if you prefer PM. And again, recorded lessons will be posted and can be viewed at any time if these two options do not work for you. Included on this slide is the schedule for grades 4 and 5 blocking classes, and this is the Monday-Wednesday schedule. And if you follow this, the yellow block is one homeroom in the courses that they will be exposed to on one day. They will see all 3 teachers every day at a different capacity. For example, on Monday and Wednesday, this homeroom will have a full ELA lesson, a math support lesson, and a social studies lesson. On Tuesday and Thursday, they will be exposed to a math lesson, an ELA support lesson where small groups and breakout groups can occur, and also a science lesson. And Friday, they will receive math or reading depending on what is needed, or extension activities, science and social studies support. Is your child a kindergartner or new to Benvenue? Filling out the Virtual Academy application is not an enrollment. You will need to come to Benvenue to pick up and complete an enrollment packet to begin school at Benvenue. If you have not handed in your laptop from last year, you will not be issued another one. It needs to be returned and re-imaged to be ready to start instruction. If your student attended the Jump Start program this summer, you do not have to bring back your laptop. You may keep it to use this year. Benvenue is a host site for the School Nutrition Feeding Plan. Our times will begin on August 17th through 31st from 11 to 1 p.m. Listed here are all the other sites that are available. Again, we are so looking forward to working with you and your student this year. I hope that you are able to review the Benvenue Elementary opening parent information presentation again for your reference. Teachers will be reaching out to you August 10th, and if you have any questions, concerns, or needs, please do not hesitate to contact me at Benvenue Elementary at 462-2835. Be kind, be great, and be a Bobcat.